Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve a very interesting problem in Python, which is the Armstrong number. We'll first understand what is Armstrong number, then look at the algorithm step by step to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. We'll see an example, we'll solve them programmatically, we'll also write unit test. There's a challenge at the end for you to solve. So let's get started. Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits, each raised to the power of the number of digits. For example, 153 has 3 digits, so 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is 153, which is Armstrong number. Similarly, 9474. All single digit number from 1 to 9, they are Armstrong numbers because 1 to the power of 1 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 also is 2. Hope this is clear. 1 to 3 is not an Armstrong number because 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is 36 and not 153. Let us see the algorithm now. We will take the input number. We will count number of digits in the input number. For each digit in the input number, we will raise it to the power of n, which is the number of digits we counted. We add all the powered values. If the sum is equal to the original number, it's an Armstrong number. Otherwise, it is not an Armstrong number. Hope the algorithm is clear. We will see an example. 153. This has 3 digits. So we use sum function here. So each digit we loop it up and we get like this. So we sum it up, and if we check total matches with the input, we say it's Armstrong number. Otherwise, it's not an Armstrong number. We'll see how we are going to solve this programmatically. We have written a function. First, the input number we have got. We are converting into a string because the len function has to be applied, and it can only be applied on a string. Then we used sum function where a loop is being run on the converted num string variable. So each digit is got and it is raised to the power. This gets summed up and we are getting the total. We are returning a boolean here. So if both are same, input number and total is same, so we return true, otherwise it will return false. What is this? This is to say that this function returns boolean value. But it doesn't, Python doesn't force that only boolean value should be returned in this function. However, this is for developers and for readability purpose. Hope this is clear. Okay. Let's get into unit test. So we have written unit test for true and false case. 153, 9474, 370, all are Armstrong numbers. This is for true case and this is for false case. 1, 2, 3 and 200 and all 2-digit numbers are not an Armstrong numbers. So we could check that. This is all about unit test. I also told about a challenge I'm going to give you. First challenge is use the same function to find out all the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 10,000. In our program, we have used inbuilt functions, len, sum, frame a logic so that we find whether the input number is Armstrong number without using built-in function and commenting down. Please let me know if you are not able to do this. I will also frame a new video for that. I'll summarize now. We saw what is Armstrong number. We saw the algorithm for finding out the Armstrong number. We also saw an example. We solved them programmatically. We also wrote unit test. We also gave you challenge. So as to do the same program without using a building method, also run a loop from 1 to 10,000 so that we could find what are the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 10,000. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.